Good morning, Sycamore Canyon Cougars. Today is Friday, September 4th, 2020. This week marked the first official days of our school fundraiser. If you have not already done so, have your parents log in to funrun.com and share the fundraiser page with friends and neighbors. All donations made in your name earn you cool prizes and help raise money for our school. We are working towards a goal of $8,000 to help pay for individual play and learning equipment. Next week, we will only have a few days left to raise funds for our Fun Run and Dance Fit Challenge on the 10th at 1 p.m. If we reach our goal, our school staff will all wear fun costumes during the dance and run. Don't you want to see your teachers dressed in a silly hat or glasses while they dance and run around? I sure do. This week, your class has been working hard on learning. You've started your math and reading lessons, and you've started to get to know some of your classmates through the iPad too. Here at school, your teachers have been working hard and getting ready for some of you to return to campus very soon. We can't wait to see your faces in real life and to safely return to class with an AM/PM schedule. Parents, more details will be coming soon about our group assignments, drop-off and pickup, and general logistics. Here are our students with the Friday flag salute and our Friday assembly. Everyone, have a positive day.
Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hey Cougars, pause, practice respect, accept responsibility, work through challenges, and show each other kindness. Go Cougars!
Sycamore, we strive for more, no matter what our quest. We smile with confidence and know at Sycamore we're the best. Yes, give me an S, give me an S, give me an SYC, give me an A, give me an M, give me an ORE. SYCA, MORE, Sycamore, Sycamore, best we can be. Woohoo!